I Yo, what is up, guys? It's me, Shu. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Ticket Tool and set up like a support server. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to obviously create a server. Going to add a server, create a server, and then put your server name. Alright, so since I already have one, I next thing you have to do is you have to invite the Ticket Tool bot, and this is how you're gonna do that. So first you just want to look up Ticket Tool Discord dashboard, or go to the link in the description and it'll lead you to this. And then once it loads, you can just click invite Ticket Tool and it'll take you to the invite panel. Next thing you want to do is, since you have the bot in your server, you have your role and everything, your admin role, or here, just this is how you make an admin role. Just go plus and then give it all those. Okay, so since you have that, probably go back to the Ticket Tool and then click manage servers, and then click the server that you want to manage. So in my case it's YT server. And then you see all of these. Right now we're just going to be focusing on the panel configs. So just click on panel configs and then click create panel, and then panel name, it could be like admin report or user report or something like that, but just in this case we're gonna do just support. Now the support team roles is the people that can answer the questions and support the people. So in my case it's going to be admin, and you can add multiple of those. And then the last one is the channel you select will newly create panel instantly displayed. So this is where you want the panel to be. So it could be like, you could have like a support channel or something, but right now I'm just gonna click support and then click create panel, and you're obviously probably gonna get a Discord notification that he typed in there. You go back to here, and in support it should have something looking like this. And when a new user clicks this right here, it'll put a ticket right here, and then the new user will like put in the complaints like someone did something wrong or they're breaking the rules or something, and that the admins didn't catch. But as you can see, that's why we have the support team roles, is because we don't want everyone just seeing this and answering these questions. So certain people can answer it. You can have like a separate support team, like I do here. I have a support team right here, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. Very simple, very easy. Bots nowadays are really easy to use. And yeah, make sure to join my Discord server in the description and subscribe for more content just like this. Bye.